All right, guys, welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Um, it's Wednesday, and I'm trying to adjust to the timing, but it's so tiring. The jet lag, the time difference, internet is slow, everything is slow. So I hope this will work. If it's not working, then I'll just analyze and not share it. Let's try again. This is working quite decent. All right. So in my forecast, I said there it is. There's my forecast. I said we would break above these highs and then potentially get a short move from these areas. Um, I'm a bit silent because I'm not used to talking and doing the charts in public, and I got people around me that can hear me. But yeah, it is what it is. We'll get used to it soon. And I said price will react around these areas, and now we can see that over here we have this kind of candle with that imbalance. Although it's filled up, there's like this volume imbalance where price opened significantly lower, probably on actually on Friday compared to Thursday. So that's an interesting area I want to look at and keep in mind, because from here we might see a reaction. If not, then it's still a nice entry area to look at because it's different than other filled out areas. So why not mark it out and keep an eye on it? Whoops, sorry, let's just give it this color. But yeah, so for now the forecast is playing out and we can look for cells on DXY. If we zoom out, sorry, by the way, only of this screen, and yeah, so got to do with it. We are above all highs. We reacted from that key level on 100, came above here, and we actually broke bullish on DXY, which is quite interesting because now that we broke bullish, we can expect lower pricing while EU is still in the bullish range. Although it's coming to an extreme as well, it is still in a bullish range, and we are still looking for that bullish range to hold until it doesn't. So with the knowledge of the XY being above all highs, I'm looking at longs for EU. Now, where would that come from? Today's Wednesday, so let me, sorry for the mess. Let me quickly mark out. I don't need to do that on DXY, but definitely need to do that on EU. Is that we have a previous daily low down here, and we got previous daily highs up here. And within that range, we're gonna look for trades, of course. And we are below all lows. We got structure realignment. So before I do anything else, this felt like extreme supply zone. Yeah, that liquidity won't be taken until we break below here. That already played out. So this can go. This can go now. I will mark that one out again. This can go. Remove this one and this one as well. Then we had a new low. We have a new lower high and our potential lower low. We are below previous weekly lows. We took internal range liquidity. We took more internal range liquidity now. And get the break below previous weekly highs taken, and then lows previous weekly lows taken, because this is actually September 1st. I think this is the previous weekly low. I think I marked it out wrong. Yeah, I did. No, I didn't. So we took previous weekly lows. And yeah, just lining up the confluences or the facts actually for our biases. We are inside the deep discount of our a higher time frame daily bullish range. We took internal liquidity over here, over here. When we took this one, we got the inducement. Now we come lower into this 4-hour demand zone. Why is this an interesting area? Well, we can see that we had this little impulse here where we took out the minor bear structure over here, got a bullish break, and then there we had the liquidity sweep to the downside. Sweep, there we go. So what I'm looking at now is either a structure realignment on the lower time frames, or wait for previous daily lows to be taken out. Now, what does the structure realignment? We already can see that it doesn't. So first of all, we got Asia lows here. So I will be looking for Asia lows and previous daily lows to be taken out before I do anything else. I think this is Asia high. Yeah. So Asia high is already taken out. There we go. Asia high has been taken out. Although, yeah, I'm not really interested in shorting right now. Why? Because we are in the deep discount. We are below previous daily lows. Yes. I'm looking to long from, where's the brush? I'm looking to long from here, but that doesn't mean that this is a high probability trade. This is my high probability trade to the upside. Why? Because then we are below lows again. We took liquidity. Yes, we have a structure here. That's a little bit of much drawing, but we got that structure here that is all right. Get a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, and then a potential lower low. But that's internal, and that's already below high time frame lower lows. That's already inside a discount of a bullish range, and that's already after liquidity has been taken on the high time frame. So to still look for shorts after all that is not high probability if you ask me. So for EU, I'm looking to long from below previous daily lows. If you look at candle formations, what can we see? Let's start before. Oh, yeah, we can see that slowdown. We got 1, 2, 3 internal candles to this candle. So that's interesting. We're building up volume to move in one direction, whether it's downside or upside, I don't know. But looking at this candle, it's upside. But yeah, I don't know. We can see that we had this. I don't know how I got this actually. I think it should be this one. Actually, let's keep it there. There might be something, maybe 1 hour, or it should have been there for a reason. This low. Anyway, we took that, and yeah, just wait for this price. I wait for price to come here, and there I will look for a confirmation based entry long. That would mean for GU or for DXY, of course, to get above the drawing tool is gone. That would mean for GU, of course, to get above here, which is perfectly fine. Why? Because we got previous daily highs and Asia highs. So to say equals here. So yeah, it's perfectly fine to wait for that and then get a move to the downside. Now, usually I wake up around these times. Now I'll wake up at around, I don't know, somewhere around here, I think. Yeah, because here's where Asian session starts. So it's now 1:30 p.m. almost. Bit strange with timing, but yeah, we wait for the highs to be taken and then we look for shorts on the XY. Now, Dan, what would that mean for GU? GU is playing out perfectly fine as well, completely as expected or as forecasted, which is not always the case. So it's nice to see that it plays out right now. And we can actually see that the area marked out. We just tapped into that, came into this area, and then done that move further down. And now we are below all those again. So we got that bearish break again. There. And for GU, pretty much same story. We can see that we're building up liquidity here. It's not really any look, there's bullish structure, but where does it break the bearish structure? Well, if anything, the last bearish structure would be here or here. So we get a high, low, lower, high, lower, low. Then it would be this one, or it would be high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. Then it would be that one. So it's not breaking anything that caused a bearish move. So this is just correctional price action. Correctional for what? Correctional to induce buyers, building up liquidity, get that move, probably get an impulse maybe, and then get that move to the downside. And that's what we're waiting for, because we want to get that long move, right? So now I'm getting excited. So that's what we wait for, and that's what I'm waiting for. So EU or GU, pretty much same story. Wait for these lows to be taken out. So this is actually a previous daily low. Wait for that to be taken out. Previous daily low. Monday. That's Wednesday now, right? Yeah. Sorry. So this is Tuesday. Previous daily highs. Wait for that, and then yeah. That's it. That's pretty much it. That's what we're waiting for. I guess I got my notes. So structure-wise, we got that realignment. We can't mark this out as structure yet. We can remove this. We can take this. This is I'm amazed how that worked out. It was so straightforward, and it just played out to the T. So that's good. Overall, we know that we are inside this demand zone on the daily for EU as well, or for GU. We know that we are inside discount pricing for this bullish range. So overall, although it's not that deep as EU, I'm looking to long GU on the in the long term. Then the only thing that's against that long term long is that DXY has broken bullish. So a long-term long on GU and EU, meaning bearish break on DXY again. And for now, I'm just looking at this and this, which means a potential pullback here, and then a continuation down actually. So yeah, bit tricky with that, but therefore we can just focus on the lower time frames a little bit more now, not focus on what's going to happen in Q4 yet, and see how that goes. Price behavior wise, yeah, we can see how this impulse up closed above that high as well. So nice closure, not just a wick, and that's indicating that price is waiting to move along. Price behavior wise, you know what I do for price behavior, always get that box tool again and pull. Okay, this was the pullback. Come on C, come on fee. How long did it take price to get back up? Well, actually it took price a little bit longer to get back up there, but yeah, that's okay. In this case, I gotta say price behavior is not in our favor, but still, it's interesting. That's interesting actually. This was a strong impulse down. That's why I thought this could be liquidity. I kept in mind that this area was not that strong. We took out the area. Now we got this area there, but I don't know yet. We'll see. But for now, EU, GU, wait for previous daily lows to be taken. Wait for that Asia low to be taken. Oh, it's lagging out. And then look for longs. Sorry, it's lagging out. So I'm cutting it short here. My internet is horrible here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, wait for these lows to be taken and then look for potential long trades. All right, that's it. Quick one, silent one, easy one. Get you guys later. Peace out.